Hey, how's it going? Hey, I am here at the local Cabela's, and just want to show you the moose and that up behind me because they're really cool. And there's really no deals here today, Black Friday, but I just want to show you the moose up on the ceiling up there, so let's check them out. Yeah. It's pretty neat the way it's laid out, but I've seen much bigger stores in the US. So to me, this one's really crowded, and it's hard for people in wheelchairs not to get around right now. So accessibility wise today is a no-go. It's just really, really hard. So, because they got stuff piled up in the aisles, you can see their special deals for Black Friday, but you know, they're not, I don't think they're great deals, but anyway, just kind of just an overview of the store. Now Santa Claus is way over in the corner there, and I did go get a picture with him, so that was rather fun. Now if you look at this picture closely, it might remind you of something, and maybe my mind is going in a different direction, but maybe whoever designed this display thought of it as well. But look at it closely and see what you think. Let me know in the comments below, because I know what I see in this picture, and for a retail store, I don't know, that's kind of sketchy. And here is our Christmas picture with Santa Claus. Yep. Mom, Dad, and myself with a Santa Claus with a nice list. I don't know if he's got the right list or not. Anyway, talk to you guys later.